I just spent $650, and did I waste my money? So this is a 1979 16-foot bass tracker. It was listed on Facebook Marketplace for $800. I was able to get it for $650. Yesterday I removed the flooring out the boat. And the boat also came with a motor. It's a 20 horsepower Johnson. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I gotta do. So the trailers and the lights work perfectly fine, but this transom is super rotten. It is super rotten. You can see back. I don't know what he did to this part. So I'm gonna take whatever these things are out. The center console, the rolling, and I also got to replace this wood. This is crumbly. Not very good condition. You can see the framing here is cracked, so I gotta fix that. So yeah, let's get to it. Now all these things are hammered in with rivets, so I gotta remove the rivets somehow. I think I'm either gonna drill them out or just break them off. So I've been breaking rivets now for like an hour.
I got a rivet.
Okay, come on, broke a one, like 2 rivets right now. Here's the update now. I got all the foam out. This thing is gonna come off, but it's connected to the center console. Got the live well loose right there. Another day, another few hours working on the boat. I got the center console out. You can feel this mold. And it's moldy. So that's not very good. And lots of this stuff is rusty, just like my basketball skills. Now that I've got everything out the boat, okay, so I got that other stuff out, and now that I got that, I can just see how bad the transom is. No, look at that. That is not good. I'm obviously definitely gonna have to replace that. Alright guys, so picked up all the trash there. Believe it or not, I was able to fit it all into this little bag. I'm just kidding. It's all in the shed now. The whole boat is fitted out. Much lighter now. And now I gotta put all my tools back. Tools. Yeah, don't make fun of me in the comments. Tools. Oh, shut up. Okay guys, welcome back. So today's step is to power wash, get everything cleaned up, and you see my dad grinded a few of these nails down. They're sticking out. Like that one. So that's gonna be before I power wash. I'm gonna vacuum everything out. I'm gonna take it off the boat, power wash it, and I took out the aerator, which leaves this big hole, and I'm gonna seal that. It's not gonna work, never mind. Come on, get down in there. Oh. Hey guys, so been out here for like 15 minutes trying to start this thing. Not even a hum. I don't know what the problem is. Hasn't been started in like a year, that's why. Okay guys, we just tried again and it doesn't seem to be working, so we're just gonna try, figure it out. I'm gonna clean the spark plug and see if that helps with anything. Power washer's not starting, so we're gonna figure out what the problem is. So I just took it off the trailer for no reason. Now I gotta put it back on. Okay guys, so we couldn't get the power washer to start working, so I guess that's gonna be it for the video today. Stay tuned for part 2 of the boat project, and see you guys again later. Thanks for watching.